We have some manual handling tools on the far side of the vehicles, wheelbarrows, there's a few bags of cement there.
And you press it that way and it'll take the screw out again.
We use all the wheelbarrows. It's all manual labor. We are doing a playground for adults.
More pressure.
It's more of the team spirit and collaboration, and we glue together.
We're here with everyone all around the world doing this splash project. We're building two, what they're calling wonky playhouses, you know, Dr. Seuss kind of deal. We're definitely already running into, we all have different ideas. It took us a minute to fully understand how the wonky house was built.
The work is fantastic, but that last piece is really not for me.
Well, we had to react quickly because we had to do it again and on time. So we disassemble everything and reassemble it in the proper way.
It's nice to be with colleagues, and it's nice to do something for the community. To make sure that everybody knows what he has to do to be organized. I think that working by workshop with a lot of engineers is helping.
So they started this morning, so I can already look forward to the faces I'll see when the children come out and see what they have created here. Few plants in front of us, and she would have never believed that you would have been able to put up something like this in such a short time.